showed exact change of land use which were illegal from agriculture to settlement, orchard to settlement. We showed survey numbers, that is the proof. We showed Form 1 and 14, that is the proof. And from where did we get? We got from the TCP department. We don't have any other thing. From the TCP department antle आम्ही extract करून तांका दिले. And he is saying, you know, we want proof. We told him, when we met the chief town planner, you give access to our team of Goenkar hours from PDA and from other organizations. We will show you how to access the data from TCP and all the illegalities will be shown. Now, the next point, why we are saying it is illegal and why he is having vested interest in diverting all the attention from the illegalities. 2012 one, after Manohar Parrikar said, I will scrap, and he went as a typical U-turn chief minister, he denied and he put it in abeyance. Since then, since 2012, 8,500 insertions have been made in this regional plan. Those are illegal insertions belonging to powerful politicians and real estate lobby.
सरकारान गॅजेटेड अधिसुचोवणी काढून खंय पीडीएतल्यान काडिल्ल्या गावांतल्या जाग्यांचे सर्वे डिटेल्स दिवचे.
This is nothing but an attempt to shift the burden. We have been continuously saying it is not only Vijay Sardesai that is involved in this whole process, but also the government. Also the BJP government is strongly at hand, and that's the reason why he has shifted the burden now to the assembly. Now we require a gazetted notification. A gazetted notification that the PDAs have been removed together with the survey numbers.
लोकांक पीडीए नाका जाल्यार सरकार कित्याक तेमाक पेटला हो एक्टिविस्टांक प्रश्न.
जे फोटिंगपणा पळय कोता आमच्या लोकां कडेन की आमचे गांव काडले म्हणटा तेणें आजून पासून हे कादंबा प्लेटो पळय तो आतां हेजेर पेपरार दिला की काडले म्हणून, आनी थोडे 2 पार्ट दवरल्या म्हणून. हे 2 पार्ट पळय तो म्हणटा ते टोटल तेणें कादंबा प्लेटो दवरलेलो आहा, बांबोली प्लेटोय दवरलेलो आहा. कित्याक 150 मीटर फ्रॉम बोथ द सायड पळय तो म्हणटा तो जावन आसा कादंबा प्लेटो. हे तेणें लोकांक नाडूं उपकारना. बांबोय तेणें दवरलेले आहा, बांबोय तो प्लेटोय घातलेलो आहा. आनी तितलेंच न्हू, जेन्ना लोकांक पळय नाका, आतां कांदोळेचे लोक येयलेले आहा, पाराचे लोक येयलेले आहा, सगळे गांवांचे लोक पळय जेन्ना ऑफिसीन हाडटा तेणें सगळ्याचे त्या लोकांचे तेणें आयकपाचें.
पीडीएतल्यान सगळीं गांवां काडची म्हूण काँग्रेसूनय मागणी केल्या.
लोकांचो डिमांड आसलो की सगळ्यो विलेजी पीडीएसान काडच्यो म्हणून, टू डिनोटिफाय ऑल द विलेजीस फ्रॉम द पीडीए. Now just to divide this agitating people, government has removed 10 villages from this, and the others are kept there. Candolim, Calangute, Parra, Arpora, all these villages are kept there. Now the town planning minister some days back had said that earlier Congress MLAs were chairmen of PDAs. Yes, we were there, but the villages were not there. Only when North Goa PDA was there, only Penjim and Mapsa was there. And Taligaon, but other villages were not there. So now this is to fool the people. Lokaच्या doyank pana banpak, and they think that some of the villages will not come for the agitation. हे 10 villages काढल्या, they hoping to dilute this agitation of the people of Goa.
पीडीए आडच्या आंदोलनाक काँग्रेसीनय तेंको दिला.
The Goenkars of Goa, Goemkar Against PDA, they have demanded that every village be denotified from this PDA. Now, the Congress party is fully with the people because it is there in our manifesto. We have promised the people.
TCP मंत्री म्हणटात दिल्ल्या उतरा प्रमाण 10 गांव पीडीएतल्यान काडले. कन्वर्जनाचे चौकशेक आपयल्यार एक्टिविस्ट कुस मारतात. एक्टिविस्ट म्हणटात सगळो डाटा TCP कडचोच. लँड कन्वर्जनाची चौकशी आणि ॲक्शन सध्या दाव्या प्रतिदावे आणि आरोप प्रत्यारोपांचेर अडकल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.